Welcome back to another video. Today we have the cordless M12 vacuum kit with the 6 amp hour battery, as you guys see here. Hopefully if I can alright, so you got the M12 12 volt 1.6 gallon lithium ion cordless wet and dry vacuum kit with the 6 amp hour battery and a charger. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. So help out the channel by doing so. Big shout out to my man Joe the Tool Guy. He posted this first. I'm just doing this for my subscribers, like I always say. This is a really good deal on this vac. It's $149, guys. $149 is definitely a great deal, especially with the 6 amp hour battery. So if you cut it in half, you're basically paying around 175. That's a really good deal. Definitely check it out, guys. I'll leave the link down below in the description section of this video. Go get them, guys. I do have the pack out vac. These vacuums are really nice. I really like this one. I wanted this one, but I don't have a lot of batteries, the M12 batteries. That's why I decided to go with the pack out vac. But I actually wanted something smaller, something lighter. So this is smaller than the pack out vac, I think, and it's a little lighter. So, and it has enough power on it. So especially with the 6, it's definitely worth it to get it. So anyways, that's it for today. We'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.